Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Oracle 26 AI without any error. Okay, first of all we have to write the Oracle database download, then we have to click in this link and choose open new tab. After that we have to wait in here. So in here we have to choose Oracle Linux and Oracle Windows. Keban kusoo dejinaa Oracle Linux so Oracle Windows. So I'm using Windows, so I will choose Oracle Windows 1. Okay, after that I will choose the place I will save to my file. So you can, I already downloaded, so you can choose the place you want. Horun soo dejistay meesha doonta doorasaa. So I will click cancel. I already downloaded here. After that I come to C drive, then I created a new folder and I call it Oracle installation. So I come back to the download file, then right click, then choose extract all. intaa ka bacdi waxaad doonta browse, then choose browse, then to the local this PC, then choose local C, then the Oracle installation, then select it, then extract. Okay, after that you have to come in here, my Oracle installation, then I choose the setup kan dooranaa, then right click, run administration, then click yes. After we click the yes, we have to wait a little time until the progress finish. Okay, it appear in here. So shaashadan ayna soo bixi doontaa welcome to installation wizard. Then choose next, then choose I accept, then choose next. Before intaynan xaggan dhaafin, we have to create the folder called app. Okay, so we have to remove something that will cause errors to our installation. So click this PC, click local C, then right click, new folder, call it app. Aanu bixinaynaa. App muu jira, horuu si jira, appku horuu si jira iska saaro. Okay, folder keeni right click, so you see you already existed, rename app. After creating app folder, right click, waxaan dooranaa property. Okay, kabacdina waxaan dooranaa choose security. After we choose security, we click advanced. After advanced, we will choose authenticate the user. So we will click disable inheritance and click on that. Then converted inherited permission to explicit permission. Okay, after that remove it. Okay, after that I will click apply. Okay, everything will be okay now. So we have to Oracle key, then we choose, so C, local C, then app, then other folders will be created because there is no namespace in here. Muhammad Saeed, there is no namespace. But at the namespace, if there is a namespace, sometimes it causes error. It will not work. So you have to make sure there is no namespace in here. In a namespace, I got your one kabacdina right click next taawataa, click next. So we have to use very tough password. Okay, for example I will use some tough password like Oracle shift number 1 1 2 3. Okay, so you should not forget, and I will make the first letter capital Oracle, and I will save it. Okay, because if I forget it I will uninstall it. Password Oracle, copy, then come to text box password, paste and paste, click next, install it. We have to wait until it finish. When it's signal line to not amania, so fine. So kawan yara pass current or no yara post current video. Okay, we have to click allow to install a Java platform. So we click allow. You have to wait now. Speed can recording dona. So for a time. This is very important. Oracle file can also change waxyaabo kale. Marka hadda inta shaqeyso si fiican buu Oracle noogu shaqeynaya. Haddii halkan laakiin si diido Oracle nooma shaqeyn doono. The file has been finished. Okay, so after this waxaan taaban doonaa maxay, we will click finish, because the reason he finished the file before, first of all, we remove user authentication, and second, my username has no space. Okay, if he fail, haddii uu fail garoobo bahalkaad ku shubaysa Oracle-kaas, if you fail, because one of two things, your name is, your computer has no space, or you don't remove user authentication. Okay, kan waxaan taabanaa finish. Intaa ka bacdi, after that waxaan doonaynaa Oracle developer kana soo jiisno. Oracle developer kana doonayna soo jiisno. Oracle developer aan soo jiisanaa. Oracle developer. Akan SQL developer, you are right, SQL developer download. SQL developer for 64-bit, 32-bit. Okay, we will download 64-bit because my computer is 64-bit, so I will download 64-bit. Then I will choose download, then I will choose save. So I have to wait until intaas dhamaanayso inaan sugnaa. Inoo soo download garoobayo. SQL developer has been downloaded, so now we have to take it and we have to put it inside local C. Okay, continue. So we are moving from download to local C. After that we have to right click, then we have to choose extract all, and then we choose extract. So here we have SQL developer file, so we have to wait some minute, because this is the UI user interface that we will use to create a database, to store a database. So this is the place we will write the code. meesha waxaan ku qorina koodhkeena noqon doonta. Marka SQL developer ku waa naga caawinaya inaynu koodhka si fiican aynu qorno. Marka halkan aynu soo dhiganaynaa. The file is being extracted, so now we have to open it. Right click, open, or double click. Then we have to come here in SQL developer, right click, open, select, right click, open, or double click. So we have to wait few minutes for the first time. It will take a time. Okay, would you like import? No, we have to wait a few minutes. Okay, here is the Oracle SQL developer dashboard. Okay, for the first time it will look like this. Allow automatic usage report. Okay, so here is the dashboard of Oracle. Okay, so yes, you see this problem, free TNS and listener load TNS. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to create our connection. So we can press this plus button, or we can click this create connection manually. So we have to click this plus button. So when we click this dashboard will show us. So in here we have to write the new name of our database, so we can have multiple 5 database. Okay, so I will write database. In here you can choose a tab color for your database, but I will use this default, so I will not change the color. But if you will have multiple tab, you can use multiple color in here, so they will not be the same color. After that, here we should write a username. So username is always will be sys, and here we have to enter the password we created. We enter when we created an Oracle, so it was made password. After that, in here we have to check this bottom save password. Then we have to choose system DBA. After that, we have to test the connection. What happened? It's rejected because we have to remove XE from here. Okay, Then we have tested again. Yes, what happened? Success. Then we will connect it. So in here we created our database. So now if you close it, so first of all let me right click pin taskbar. So now if I close it and reopen again, it will show us that error will not show us, but it will show us our database. Now we have to wait a few minutes. For the first time was late, but now it will not be like first time. It depends on the RAM of your computer. So if you have 16 GB RAM, it will be so fast. If you have 32 GB RAM, it will be super fast. But if you have 4 GB or 8 GB RAM, it will take time. But the most important is to have free spaces to computer. So I have only one partition, and that partition is 400 GB. Now what left was 300. It's 332 GB, but it was 400 GB. So like this space, it will be good for Oracle. Okay, we have to edit it. Okay, so now there will not be the error TNS or load TNS, but it will show us our connections because we create our own connection. So this is our database. So now there is no load TNS. Load, yes. Okay, then open. So it will not ask me the password because I saved the password. So you have to know, you should not forget a password. If you forget it, it will mean to remove Oracle from your computer and reinstall again. This will be problem. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, you can share this video with other people. Thank you.